Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will provide you the complete syllabus of the physics for the WBJ 2023. So if you are the candidates who are basically preparing for the WBJ 2023, then this video gonna very important for you guys because in this video I will talk about the syllabus of physics. Actually, I have already provided the detailed syllabus of the mathematics so far, and also I have provided the important tips and tricks to getting good marks in mathematics. Okay, now in the next part, now I want to basically give you the information related to the syllabus of the physics and what are the important points that you should keep in mind for getting good marks in physics, guys. Okay, so before moving to the video, guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, support my channel for providing such important video, and especially if you are preparing for the any JEE main, WBJ or Comtech examination, then make sure to subscribe this channel for getting important updates relating to all those examinations. Okay, so let me start the video without wasting our time. So first is the physics syllabus. Okay, I have already uploaded the mathematics syllabus, so you can also check out that. Okay, now talking about the physics syllabus. So what is the syllabus of the physics for WBJ 2023? Okay, so for the physics first chapter, you have to study the physical world, measurement, unit and dimension. Okay, so actually this is not much more important topics. Just 1 or 2 marks came from this, but 1 or 2 marks came, guys. Okay, so you have to study two. Okay, so here you have to study the measurement, unit and dimension, okay, and physical quantity, dimensional analysis and its application. Next important topics you have to study, that is the kinematics, where you have to study the scalars, vector, representation of vector, 3D vector and cross product, dot product. Okay, so these are the important things of the kinematics. Besides that, you can also get idea about the equation of motion with uniform acceleration, all things. Okay, means you have to study basically a problem related to these two, guys. Next is important, that is the laws of motion. So from laws of motion you have to study the all Newton's three law. Okay, that is Newton's first law, second law, third law, impulse, centrifugal, elastic and elastic, inelastic collision. Important in context to getting good marks, because from the Newton's laws of motion more than 10 marks came. Okay, so out of 50 marks, almost means from the Newton's law of motion and optics, almost 15 to 20 marks came, guys. So you have to study, or you can say you have to give more time on the Newton's laws of motions and optics, because very important in context to examination. Okay. And next important, that is the energy, Burke energy theorem, power energy. So these are the topics you have to study. Then motion of center mass, connected systems, friction you have to study very carefully. Also means one sure question from the friction too. Okay, either from center of mass or two particle system and all things. Next is important, that is the from gravitation. So from gravitation you have to study the Kepler's law, only statements, means just a statement type question come. Okay, then Young modulus and the laws of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, then bulk properties, Young modulus I've already said, pressure due to fluid system, buoyancy force, Pascal law. Okay, effects of gravity on fluid pressure and all things. Next important chapter that you have to study, that is the viscosity. Okay, so from the viscosity you have to study the coefficient of viscosity, streamline and turbulent motion. Okay, Reynolds number, Stokes law, terminal velocity, Bernoulli's theorem, heats and thermal physics, heats and temperature, then thermal expansion of solid and all things. Next important chapter. Okay, and also these are important, guys, that is the SP, heat capacity, CP, CV and basically calorimetry. So these are the important topics from the viscosity. Next important topics from the thermodynamics. So from thermodynamics you have to study the thermal equilibrium, for means that is basically you have to study the zeroth law, first law and second law. Okay, and then heat works and energy and first law of thermodynamics, all I have already said. Okay, then next chapter that you have to study, guys, that is the kinematic theory of gases. Okay, so you have to study kinematic theory of gases, where you have to study the equation state of perfect gas, kinetic energy of gas, assumptions of kinetic theory of gases, concept of pressure and temperature. Okay, RMS speed, all things. Okay, and you have to not worry about that, guys, because I will also provide PDF in the description from where you can directly get access to this PDF. Okay, because syllabus is almost same from for 2019 or 2020, all things. So you can get this PDF too. I will provide link in the description. Next important topics you have to study, that is the oscillation and waves, where you have to study the periodic motion, what is the time period, frequency. Okay, means basically if you are preparing for the JEE main or any competitive engineering examination, then syllabus is almost same. Okay, just little bit difference, and especially for the JEE main candidates you have to not basically give extra time for WBJE. Okay, but just you have to means get idea about that what is the syllabus. Okay, then from the electrostatics you have to study the conservation of electric charges, Coulomb's law, force between 2 point charges, force between the multiple charges, superposition principle and all things. So these are the important topics you have to study. Then from the current electricity, you have to study the electric current, conductor, drip velocity, mobility, and their relation with elastic current. Okay, Ohm's law, electric resistance, ohmic and non-ohmic conductor, electrical energy and power, carbon resistor, color codes, combination of resistance, temperature. So these are the topics you have to basically study in the electric current. Okay. Besides that, you can also visualize all the chapter. So all the topics. Next is very important, that is the magnetic effect of electric current. So from the magnetic of electric current, one question is sure from the torque equation and other things. Okay, so you have to basically read especially the torque equation and all things very carefully, guys. Okay, so what are the topics? That is the concept of magnetic field, Oersted experiment you have to study, Biot-Savart law and its application to current carrying circular loop, Ampere's law very carefully you have to study on a moving charge. Okay, sorry, solenoid force on a moving charge. Then the cyclotron frequency, that is not much more important, cyclotron frequency. Okay, then force on a current carrying conductor in a uniform magnetic field, force between the two things. Okay, so these are topics for the magnetic effect of electric current. Next important topics that you have to study, that is the solenoids. Similar to magnetic effect of electric current, you have to study magnetics, where you have to study magnetic field lines, earth magnetic field and magnetic elements. Okay, para, dia, ferro and magnetic. Okay, one sure question from this, either 1 or 2 marks, guys. So ferro, para, you have to study the difference and all things with example. Then important topics you have to study, that is the electromagnetic induction, alternating current, electromagnetic induction. Okay, that is the Faraday's law and all things you have to study. Next important topics you have to study, that is the electromagnetic waves, where you have to study the electromagnetic wave and characteristic, what is the electromagnetic spectrum, application of waves and all things. Next important topics you have to study from the optics first. I have already said in the previously that, guys, you have to study optics very carefully, because more than 7 to 8 marks came from this, and combining both optics and previous that I have said, almost more than 50 question came, guys. So you have to study very carefully, guys. Okay. Important topics you can clearly visualize: scattering of light, blue color of the sky, element idea of the Raman's effect, wave optics and all things you have to study. Next is that is the particle nature of light and wave particle dualism, that is the photo effect, heat. Okay, Leonard's observation, Einstein photoelectric equation, particle nature of light and all things you have to study. Next you have to study, that is the atomic physics, that is the alpha particle scattering, expectant, Rutherford nuclear atom, model of atom, these you have to study. Then nuclear physics you have to study, where you have to study composition and size of nucleus, atomic mass and all things. Last topic you have to study, that is the solid state electronics, where you have to study the energy band gap in solid, quantitative ideas, conductor, insulator, semiconductor and all things. So friends, these are the topic you have to study for the physics. Okay, and important tips I want to give you, that, guys, if you are preparing for the JEE main, then you have to not give extra time in the WBJ. Okay, but if you are completely focusing on WBJ, then you have to basically get this syllabus and try to practice the previous year question, that is important in context to get good marks. Okay, so friend, these are the important topics, some tips and tricks I have shared with you. And if you are fresher, guys, then please join my latest Telegram channel, that is for the especially for the WBJ 2023. So if you wanna join, then join that, and you will get all the important update there. So this is all video about that, guys. If you have doubt related to anything, then you can comment here. I will reply as soon as possible. I hope video gonna informative to you. Make sure to share with friends so they can also get information about this. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai